Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car battery chargers in this video? I will show you the top 3 best car battery chargers to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected heavy-duty smart car battery charger. Specifications: brand name, Fositan. Item weight, 1 kg. Item height, 22 cm. Item width, 14 cm. Item length, 20 cm. Manufacturer part number, charger for cars. Origin, mainland China. Battery type, lead-acid batteries. Charger in the car, charger 12V. Power, 350 watts. The item number 2 is Nexpeak 28 12 volts to 24 volts car battery charger. Specifications: brand name, Nexpeak. Special features, pulse repair. Material type, plastic plus alloy. Item weight, 0.84 kilograms. Item height, 6.5 centimeters. Item width, 16.9 centimeters. Item length, 19 centimeters. Origin, mainland China. Smart battery charger, car battery repair. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Foxure 12 volts 24 volts 8A automatic battery charger. Specifications: special features, smart battery charger. Item weight, 580 grams. Item height, 2.28 inches. Item width, 98. Item length, 6.69 inches. Origin, mainland China. Output power, 70 watts. Battery power, 6150 Ah. Voltage, 12 volts.